Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change SNMP settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first we want to go over to the menu, and here we need to go over to preferences, then we need to go over to the network, and here we will have SNMP settings. So here we can easily change them. We can change the SNMP v1 settings, v3. We can acquire printer management info from host, and also format the hosts MIB to RFC. Not exactly sure what it does, the last one, but if you know, then let me know in the comments. And that's basically where you guys can find those settings and where to manage them. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.